Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can roll back your AMD driver to like an older version, I guess. So right click on the Windows section here, go to device manager, then you are going to go to the display adapters, go to this one, right click, select properties, go to driver, and you're going to select roll back driver, then press OK. I can't do that though, or you can update your driver here, browse my computer for drivers, and then select the one you want, and then select next. I only have one though because I don't really have like other drivers to roll back to. But that is it. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.